Kip from Tophat Automotive Syndicate in Evansville, Iowa. Today we are going to spray some Spectrum on this Ford Transit van. Now, per manufacturer says 75 to 80 psi. So what I got going on here is I got a little ball dryer. I'm using a Debilvis gauge so I know exactly the kind of pressure I'm pushing through the gun. Now, there has been some people saying they've had some issues with material coming out of this. I would definitely check your pressure, because the only time that should come out of there is if you got some kind of blockage or if you're shooting way too high a pressure. So, that being said, I'm going to get some PPP on. Brent's going to walk around and show you the mask off job that we got going on, and let's do it. Gonna do a quick rundown on how to clean your gun. I know it's been a big question. Of course, I've already pre-cleaned this, but I want to show you guys right away. Rinse it out, water soluble. Taking the gun apart, super simple. Make sure you rinse it out, look through it. Make sure your tube is clear. Tap it. You always get some stuck in there. Make sure you look at the tube. Clean the gun, stick it in. There you go. Make sure you clean your gun after every application. Every application. And this gun will last you forever. Thanks.